Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Office 365 with Office.com product key step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer. Type in the URL www.office.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on sign in and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you do not have a Microsoft account, select create one and follow the prompts. After signing in, you will be directed to your Office homepage. Locate the Install Office button, usually found in the middle of the screen. Click on Install Office, then select Office 365 apps from the drop-down menu. This will begin downloading the Office installer to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded installer file, which is typically named officesetup.exe. Double-click on the installer file to start follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. When prompted, enter your Office.com product key and click Next. Ensure that all required permissions are granted to continue. The installation process may take a few minutes. Once installed, you will see a confirmation message. You can now open any Office app like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Your Microsoft Office 365 is now ready to use on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.